hacker te hian mi computer le website te an hack sak fo thena wang hian atlang pui thul lakin he thumal hacker te hi mi ten an shet chuan a thalo lam negative lama an ngai ngal ngot train ane nimasila voina kan en hautur hacker te ro hi chu hacker thami mirang te chanpuya bumtu te laka ven him andu awanga an thiam na le theina te manga mi thalo deu te call hack sak thin tu te an ni a ani ho hi scam baiter ti an ni mi thalo kan ti te chu tu dang ni lovin mi te bum thin tu sap chonga scammer kan ti te hi an ni a mi bum hi an aizon na ani politician ero an ni lo hacker le scammer te in baina mu nom nuiza thlak tel box hi i han thlir ho don tiang chumi ma chuan heng scammer te ho an huat om zia le a hluar si zia te heng hacker ten an chai boy chiam mai hi an phu zia te kan hriat fia thei nan bum lo tok to tu te tongkam hi i an ngai thlama sa te ang sab nu pakhat hian ati hian soya India scammer ten kanu bumin a bank account ami poisa zong zon lak sak veka a chena in a hral angai pha hiala in chetaka a cheng tame ka ni tuna kum somret pani mi ani to vai pakhat po hian neti hian ron soivia heng scammer te awang hian cheng noi khat khat chan to he video hian min tilim le kanu dollar sangruk an chu sak vek to ti hinom le a chu India poisa chuan cheng noi nga le sing sari zat ani mi te buma han scam vel hi ti fu chuan eizon na tling ani a hetiang sum siami atampo antam hle reng ani hacker ten scammer te an chai boy na chulle a chai boy tuber hacker hi ani na chiang tak hriat ani lova nanobaiter tia inda in a mail chan vel le in mas avwa USA la min nge ya hriat ani a video ate hian ui kan ti aman fo wang hian ama chau hi ani lo ni na langa ti mangin anom ani mele Pakistan scammer te a chai boy an computer athunun sakmai baka an office a sazu achua scammer bi tumek te hi Pakistan khopui pakhat Lahore scam center nei tu te ania hengo hian an mani mut mun atangin scam hi antimai mai big lo office pa ngai tak nein kalle ho hun bi te nei thlapin ni ten an thok ve thin ani call center pa ngai niom tak te po an ni Jerry Williams tia in soi thrini lo langa aming tak tak chu Faizan ani asak melan an mai po hian Jerry mail apulol lo ameli am Mohammed ngoi zok engtin nge an office chung zong hi hacker te hian an mu thei kan ti mai thei hei takhi hacker te them zia te lang tu ani an hack chaudan zong kan soi fia vek ani chuan video sailu tuk dona an hack nu lam kan ti lang tamai ni an computer chung mai baka CCTV zong hi hack sak vek ni in mail sang chuang ala atangin an lo mu in an thunun thei ta vek ani kan Jerry Williams apui ro khan sap nu upato lam bum tumin tran alo la me ka lo ni.
And the reason why I hate Jerry or Faizan, whatever the his name is, I hate him because he makes poor old ladies cry on the phone.
Listen, I lost my husband. I buried him last week.
Listen,
I have to deal with
listen to me.
This is not right.
Okay, can I ask, why are you crying?
Yeah, my husband died.
Oh no, honey, you don't cry, please.
Ani hi pasal sun lim ko har taka hun mang mek tu ni in ako har nem ve tu ber pakhat a TV chu heng Jerry Faizan te hian bili pek lo chuan disconnect sak ini ang ti thu an lo hril ta vel me ka ni sap nu hian kar ma salo ka pasal asun dan te chu soin atap fei
Okay, honey, I get it.
It's unbelievable that I have to deal with this now.
Faizan te rilwa chuan poisa ringot alanga ni avan poi tak em kapi ralna sumtlema zong kan ron thonang che tilam chu latakani bum tumina poisa chu sak an tum mek zo ani lotling takmo heng anin biak na zong hi a computer chunga alu tlat to awangin nanobaiter hian alo she thei veka batman yangin mani in thup chungin misual te baya michak lo zok te puina chu a thok chhota ani.
Hello, ma'am. Were you just on the phone with someone by any chance?
Yes, I was.
Yeah, I just wanted to call you to warn you that person, they're trying to scam you.
I just got out of the hospital.
Buman tummeki anva befu theita nanobaiter hian thupoi motak hril chekadu I TV bill chungchang alo betu te khan bum chen tumani kha ti thu a hril ta ni kan pi I chuan a har sana nei de chu soin ka om hianat awangin khumbetin kana meka kan pa ka sun zo lim lol boka ati nu chuan TV ka in om tleven na perania an ron disconnect mai hi ka du lo awangin poisa thon ka lo tum me ka lo ni atita nanobaiter hian poisa naya khatma thon lo tu chuan a hrilta ne kan pi chu chan himin aom ta phot anulama poisa chu athon lui tral lem lawang chumo thilriat bel an nei le ta ni tena an chevel an mu atangin he scam center how tu ber ninge yalang chu an hre theita kan mu mek pa hi ni alap ta pa hian thilpoi mo tak tak a om ngei ringin hack sak an tum leta an ti theile mai ne an boss mingi numan ani thun reta chu ai poi mo an hriat thar le chu heng scammer tena an sumlak lu zat an hre theita ka ani tam tham takani $13 noi khat sang thum la lut je ang ani kum khata chuan dollar mak ta doi khat le noi ni chuang dei ni chu India poisa chuan thlakata noi somkwa pasari ni in Pakistan poisa phei chuan noi zani somriat chuang ani kum khata an sumlak lu chu India poisa in cheng veibel se som pakhat ani line Pakistan rupees chuan veibel se som thum pathum chuang ani ei mona tlak chu alo ninge ye nanobaiter hian heti hian a sailom hetiang ko patam mi te scam mga sumlalu theisi an boss numani afing war vak lo ni anu riau mai harsal tuklova an computer le an CCTV te hack sak thea asiam hi chu atiani anni ang hacker turu in an la bayang ti ashelok big lo te po aniange hacker te hian he scam an tok te ming hi an lo shevek thea bum an tum le an bum to te ming lis po an hu sak thei vekani kan muang hian an mi bum tam ber te chu USA lam mi ania an sum a hlut wang te po aniange scam center omna mun le an building lo mek te po hi chiang tak main Google ata tangin an mu theya ngai ngam taka scammer hote an boi chho tak tak do ne hacker ten scammer te an prank chhota pizza deliver tum angin an va beta an nula te ava chei boy le
Hello.
Thank you for calling pizza. Takeout or delivery?
No, thank you.
You don't want pizza, ma'am? No, thank you. She goes, no, thank you. No, I don't want the pizza.
Hello.
Thank you for thank you for calling pizza.
he menu
Hut.
hian
Ma'am,
an keyboard le mouse a block saka ati ngai na an shelo view
remotely blocked their input so they couldn't do anything, virtually making their mouse and keyboards useless. I don't know what's going on over here. They're trying to fix the PCs. I'm blocking their keyboard and mouse inputs. That's probably why. They literally don't know what's going
anua
on.
chuan an ozong zong chu a sin thayang ber siam sakin aprang le ta an scam tumte ati shil hai le
Effectively making them sound like a chipmunk.
So 0800 448. It doesn't stop then, does it? Is that a child? Hello?
virus magin an computer screen ate chuan chuk chulemte an watira pheng phelepte athlok fia mai you are idiot imol tite an dalang zut bok an prang na nung ber anti chaudon ta scammer te anti boy tak ma hian nanobaiter te hian Pakistani mi thopuin he center ya na dilin athok zui ve mai boka he mi hi an mang tangkai zui le ne he mi mang hian an prang na nung hi anti ta ni ani hian bazara sazu lane an office chunga hian a chuata pakhat lek mani se an tal boy le mai mi prang tu anong chiang mai zon mu va tangai ten tia an au chiam mai nula te ho chu an au khet tur mai boka sazu an ti thabar mi hringin an hlau ve bok in hlau ton nun chu anua chon nanobaiter hian scammer te chuwa bia in an ming tak takin akau te chat maya an korrong te asoi dik thlap zelawang chuan an hlau man hle an computer camera an hack sak atangin engkim amothei vek sia
Hello, am I speaking to Miss Nita Rajput? Nita Rajput, why are you scamming people? She's not talking to me. Guys, I know you can hear me. You're just standing there all quiet. Bilal's wearing a blue shirt right now. You're standing there with your hand covering your face. Nida, I see you with your hand covering your face right now. Did you guys like the rat that was in your call center?
An boss an tril nuwa chuan CCTV zong off tir ta veka
basically after this, they called the boss and he instructed them to unplug the internet and turn off the CCTV cameras. So what did I do? Well, I decided to call the boss and confront him on his personal phone number.
Anu a chuan boss ber nu man chu ami mal phone number nge a chuan hacker hian ava call ta azil hau tan ne kani engwain nge mi scam zana pakhat ma inei na nge katimwal pho don che te titani.
Hello?
Hello, Numan?
Who are you?
I'm basically your worst nightmare, Numan. I'm pretty much investigating your call center for scamming people. And I know you guys are running these TV cable scams, right? And I'm going to expose you on my YouTube channel. Let's just have a conversation.
Who are you?
Numan a chu titaw mel pu bur chung chuan a thau ta de ni.
Don't play stupid right now, Numan. Hung up.
Heng scammer ta hi Pakistan police te khuan manzui tak mo. Pakistan atangin India a lutang kan India hi mi scam shat berte zinga mi ania mi scam na saber ani lo vek po in top 3 chuan an lang shim mi zote po hian scam kan tok zeu FB vela tanga in be in ithil tur sabrama tangin karon thon cha aron thon man chu ti zat sum iron thon ero angaya tia mizo nu le mizo pa an bum hi anom nual bum thei toki anom ve zi bok e video hian nando be thau hian scammer te achai boy le don ani anmit mulai ngain dollar singkhat chuang scammer te poisa tur achu sak don heng scammer te hi Delhi mun nei ania Delhi scammer te ti dan cho he tiang hi ni online shopping sang heng Amazon kan tiang chi te hi mangin mi te nena chuan an thil cha ne lo pui dollar sang chuang man an changin an lan tira chung mi de chu va bia in.
This is alert message of Amazon. A purchase made on your Amazon account for Apple iPhone amount of $599. If you would like to cancel or refund, you can call us immediately.
Kan ti sual tlat mai ithil cha ni lo hi cancel le idu chuan he number a hian minron bedonia ti in phone number hi anda chu number chu USA number chu aning nge mai ma se anan biak chuan Delhi call center lama athleng chau dai don ani mian bum chau le zel dan choi tiang he de scammer ten an mamo chu an scam tum te computer chunga lua information poimo deu shiata thunun thei ani chumi ti thena software hi oma chung zinga pakhat chu team viewer hi ani hemingi chu kan shet cheu to ka ringe Manchester United sponsorin an kormalama antar vung to Ronaldo ngei po hian ave man zuk ani kha poisa idon let theinan he software hi install nge ngai ti in email an thona mi ten an lo install chuan an du danin an che thei da thin ani mi te an bank account an lu te chuan scammer te hian an bank detail zong an lo mu thei ta veka poisa chu an ron refund lem ta dollar sangkat zanga refund tur kha dollar singkat sanga refund angin an ron ti swal lui ta ni tren dollar singkat chuang an scam te chuan an balet tatlat mai.
Sir, I just got a mail from my hate server, and unfortunately that you got extra amount in your account by mistake, sir. So sir, will you please refund me my money back?
Kapu karon refund swal tlat mai che kapoi saron thon swal chu ti za chu iron thon let le anga yani anti chauta zana nei haulovin an ba thin tangot ani chu han choi fele zoi taila scammer te hian alem vekin mi te nena an cha ni lo thil le nan poisa an kat sak hangin anin soya chu poisa chu thon le turanga in soin software te an install tir te a chumin huwa cheng tam tak anon refund swal luya an scam te nena chuan poisa chu thon le turin an dil le ta thin ani scammer te hian bank atangin poisa ron transfer ro ti mai lo chuan a himzo le chuile har sa jok mangin an refund tir ta thina dora kalin gift card chu ti za chu valero antitani enge gift card chu Apple te Amazon te hian gift card an neya heng card te hi poisa tak manga leini in heng card nunga hian ko tawma chu card mang chuan chu card nei tu te company te thil siam chu a lei theya poisa te chu a khol thei mok ane chung card an lei te ko chu an deal ta an suman chu sakta trin ani chu gift card a poisa te hi ATM atanga lak chu thei poisa anilova akat nei tu te company a thil leinan chu a man the ni scammer te hian thil engama chung company tangte chuan anan leya an thal le mai trin poisa tak a chantir a har sa lem lo nano better hian an scam tu mek chu avabelea.
Hi, hello. Were you on the phone with someone claiming to be from Norton?
Yeah.
I just want to tell you that person's not from Norton. They're trying to scam you. The whole refund is fake. The message you received, it's a scam. Okay.
So what am I supposed to do?
Right, so they installed something on your computer, so you need to turn off that computer.
I computer kha off ngal thoiro ti thu te chu wa shiltani anlo bele chani chuan ladu to mia su ati zui bok annuwa chuan mai chelem changin scammer te ambum tani gift card kan seitak te ka tam tak le angin ain soya chung card te code chu scammer te shil mai lo chuan ama chuan a redeem ta ngau mai ne vai ho a chai boy te.
So let's do that. Already, yeah, it's being
Go
added
to the
to the
real
account,
VNC.
right?
Go to the
Hold
real
on,
VNC
hold on.
first. Go to the real
Hold
VNC.
Do I click
Ma'am?
redeem? I don't.
No,
do I
not
click-
now. Not now. Otherwise, you will lose the money. Try to understand.
No,
Go to
I
the real
hold
VNC.
on, let me just say.
Ma'am?
Click. Okay, type in the code.
Ma'am, open the real VNC.
To just redeem it.
Gift
and
card
then
dollar zanga man te chu redeem
H.
angin alantir ta heng zong zong hi alem vek an ni bum mangin an mani IF ing zok bum mang an tok chu ani taber mai he scammer kan mu me khi Nabir Singh ania na no be thiana chai boy ne le mai dollar sing chuang man ka thi a redeem tha scammer te hian an ta tur dollar sing chuang an lo ta anga anin ngaya poi an tingang mai anwa chuan a ming Kabir Singh lam me vina kauta anni lau thong chuan laptop camera te chu anan biruk sana anwa pe chuan camera chu anti thita ne.
Okay. Hold on. Wait. Hello, sir. What are you laughing about?
I'm not
Sir.
laughing.
Wait, is this Mr. Kabir Singh? Am I speaking to Kabir Singh right now?
No.
Kabir Singh, right? Wait, Kabir Singh, what's so funny? What do you... Kabir Singh, what's up, you dumb motherfucker?
Anu loga chuan call la in policeman in lawim te vatia an phone chu anda arang le mai scamming hi metin to thei thil le tuna le hun lo la om tur thlenga an la kal pui rang tur ani awang hian mi pui te hi fing le phim khur takin lo om tlatila scammer te bum mai thei lo turin relu fing le phim i putla tang u